Ladies and gentlemen, this is part 2. We posted part 1, how to change a screen on iPhone 6 Plus. iPhone 6 Plus. We show you the new screen we ordered. It comes without the home screen and the camera. So what we did, the tools they provided us, it's not bad. But let's get this one off the clip here. Use this one. That's it. You remove these two screws here on the bottom. I'll show you. If I can zoom on that. Yeah, these two next to home button. Yeah. These two screws here, 1 and 2. These two. The main one next to charger. Remove these two. We left them separate here. They're completely different. Then we use this little plastic they provided, like a shovel. Pull it up. We just put it next to the screen here and pull the screen up. And all the way up, all the way. Start from this side first and never pull the screen when it's connected the other side. Never pull the screen up. Just pry it with this little plastic one, like a shovel. You can see angle of it, like a shovel. Pull it up. So we did that one. Then when you get to the wires, don't pull that screen too far back, otherwise you're gonna damage the sockets. Yeah, that's the connectors. So we how we did it. Let's say connect this one to the side of the So how we did it, we start with the top one. This is the top one. I start first. That's the top one. It come in front of me because normally I forget things, so I must remember everything. So I start with this top one first, and then I just put the little tweezer underneath it and pry it up. The first one, it went up, and then I did, sorry, let's say take this again, let's see them. And then I did the second one, it was this one, and the third one is on the bottom here, this one, and the fourth one. But before I remove these ones, it was a little plate on it. I'll show you the plate. It was this plate. I just leave them as it is, so I don't want to mix them up. But remember this plate, 4 screws this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. The other smaller one, and the big one on the side here. You got a little Loctite on it. It's a blue. I don't know if you can see. I got the head torch on. Is a blue paint on it. They call it Loctite. Is a lock-in, so the screws cannot come loose, and it's much longer than the other ones. If you look at the other ones, that's compared to this, is so small. So be careful. Don't mess up this little screw and the big one. The big ones always goes here. Oh, I cannot even pick them up. I need the little tweezers. This big one goes there, and this is smaller one. That's so small and tiny. They go next to it. Yeah. Oh. Be careful, don't lose them. Otherwise, you cannot get them on. That's it. Come on. Yeah. So yeah, I forgot to tell you. I removed the plate first, and then I removed the wires. So this is just part 2, and the screen is off. Main stuff underneath, original battery, but there are some trace of glass here too, because the glass was shattered. I can see the little glass. So next attempt, what we do, let's say turn this one on. Yeah, if my clip can hold them. Sorry, I just put another clip here. So the next attempt is we remove the home button, front camera, and the plate, and I'll show you in the next video clip. So I noticed there's one screw here, one here, 2, 3, 4, more than that. Let's see, yeah, there's one here. I can see 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, 6 screws. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, this one's connected to 7, and this one is been under the home button, 8. So home button holding this plate, the screws hold this plate and this one. So definitely, because we got 2 plates here, this screws must be bigger than the other one. So when I remove, I tell you, because we got 2 plates underneath of each other. So when I remove this, home button's got 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if the camera is okay or not. Yeah, now it's better. Yeah, they got 3. So I attempt this one, and then I take another video clip.